Thanks, you guys.
Okay.
All right.
So, we are right now live in Laos. We are in Nong Khia in the very north of Laos. Behind us you see, well, maybe not, the Mekong River. And we thought we'd just do a little live shot for you guys. And it was not easy hauling the equipment up this mountain. But I think the view is totally worth it.
Oh, yeah. We've just been for the past 3 days doing jungle trekking out here, and it's been amazing. It was quite a unique Christmas that we had. But yeah, we're now decided that maybe we can try to do a live performance. And once again, I hope it comes out well. But yeah, we will see once we're done.
That was a little bit of Sound of Silence on 2 Chapman sticks, for those who still don't know the name of the instrument. And next we're going to do an original piece. Mark wrote that quite a few years ago.
But once again, I'd like to just explain the instrument. A lot of people always ask, once again, how it works. And so it's always good to just kind of go over it one more time. But yeah, again, for those who don't know, that are maybe new to our channel, this is called a Chapman stick. And it works by not strumming or plucking, but tapping the strings to generate the sound. Left hand plays the bass, 6 strings on this side, and that's in a 5th tuning, like a cello or a violin is tuned. And then the right hand comes over and plays the melody side, which is in 4ths, a little bit like guitar, but no 3rd in there. So it's just straight 4ths, which is better for melody. So in a way, it's a little bit more like a piano than like a guitar. But yeah, we'll go ahead and play one more for you guys, and hopefully it'll work out well. But glad that we can do a little concert for y'all. And yeah, this one is, again, an original piece. This is one of the very first pieces that I ever wrote. And I actually didn't finish it until I got with Steffi, and we were able to get a good arrangement out of it. But this one is called Beyond the Horizon. And as always, you can always check out our music at markwhitelive.com. It's all there. Thanks, you guys. Right on. Cheers, you guys. We just wanted to show you guys one look at where we are. This is not easy to hike up to, but hopefully you guys got a good look. And I apologize for the sound. This is actually just off my iPhone. And there's our listeners up there. Hopefully some new fans. But yeah, awesome. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. I think that went well. We'll check it after to make sure the sound quality was okay.
If you have any questions, write it in the comments. We'll get back to that.
Awesome. Perfect. Okay. Let me